So here we are in the kitchen. And in this basket, we have some of the main staples of the indigenous people of this area. We have your squash, potatoes, pumpkin, corn, beans, sunflower seeds, and other gourds and onions, and there would have been plenty of other fresh vegetables in the area. A lot of these vegetables are used in a variety of recipes, including the Three Sisters, which would be your squash, your beans, and your corn. There would have been a variety of squash available at the time, and it's still now available. These same ingredients would also be used in succotash, chowders, and other main dishes from this area. Seafood was plentiful. On any day, there were lobsters, shellfish, and a variety of other seafoods available. Here we have clams, crab meat, scallops, and fish. Seasonal berries were staples that were used as fruits by themselves, cooked as part of recipes, which you'll see later on in the 3 recipes we are going to prepare for you today. The thing we're going to make today is Johnny cakes. Johnny cakes originally consisted of 3 ingredients: your cornmeal, water, and salt. Since then, people have added things to their flavor or taste. There's maple syrup, sugar, and or butter. And this is our first completed Johnny cake. Here are our Johnny cakes complete. Here are our completed Johnny cakes with blueberries. Enjoy. So here are the ingredients for our second recipe, which is a seafood chowder. We have milk, cream, bacon bits, celery, onions, potatoes, salt, flour, and our choice of seafoods. We have clams, crab meat, scallops, fish, and a lobster. Any variety of these seafoods would make a beautiful chowder. Here is our finished seafood chowder, which has a variety of seafoods, including lobster, clams, fish, and crab meat. For our third recipe today, we're making what's called a blueberry slump. And those ingredients include flour, salt, baking powder, cinnamon, lemons, blueberries, water, milk, sugar, and butter. Here we are at the end of our blueberry slump. We're adding our final dumplings, then we'll cover it and let it finish cooking. Here we have our completed blueberry slump.